If you want to know how you can use the camera control button on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, we will have to enable the camera control button on our iPhone. For that, just go to Settings, then tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, you will find the option of Camera Control. Just tap on it, then make sure you enable Camera Control from here. After that, you can customize the press force of the camera control button. As you can see, it is currently on default, but you can select lighter, and by selecting lighter, the camera control button will respond to a lighter press. And you can also select firmer. By selecting firmer, the camera control button will respond to a firmer press. I will set it on default. Now, after you do that, just go back to the main settings page and tap on camera. Under the camera settings, just tap on camera control. Then under the launch camera section, just open this section. Now, if it is on none or on any other option, just select camera from here. After you select camera, then go back and then select single click. And by selecting single click, you will be able to open the camera app by clicking the camera control button once. And finally, make sure you enable camera adjustments. And by enabling this feature, you will be able to adjust the camera settings using the camera control button. And after you have done all that, you will be able to use the camera control button. Now just press the camera control button once, and by doing that, you will open the camera app. Now if you double press on the camera control button, you will open this menu. And from here, you can swipe to the right or to the left side to select the setting which you want to adjust. You can adjust the tone of the pictures. You can also adjust the photographic styles, the cameras, the zoom, the depth, and the exposure. Now let's say if you want to adjust the exposure, just select exposure by swiping your finger on the camera control button, then press slightly to confirm. Now if you swipe on the camera control button, you will be able to adjust the exposure. Now if you double press on the camera control button, you will be able to open this menu. Now from here, let's select zoom. And by selecting zoom, you can zoom in or out using the camera control button. And you can do the same with all the other settings. Just like that. Now to capture a photo using the camera control button, just press the camera control button once. Just like that. And by doing that, you will be able to capture a photo using the camera control button. And this is how you can use the camera control button on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.